Have you ever wondered how long it takes to conduct a thorough forensic engineering investigation? Picture a team of dedicated engineers, painstakingly sifting through mounds of data, examining structures, materials, products, and components for possible failures. Each investigation is a detailed detective work, requiring meticulous attention to detail and a wealth of time. This is the traditional method of forensic engineering. In this process, every minute detail is scrutinized, every piece of evidence is examined, every hypothesis is tested. This thoroughness, while necessary for the integrity of the investigation, can consume copious amounts of time and resources. Teams of engineers spend countless hours, weeks, even months untangling the complex web of factors that may have contributed to a failure. It's not just the time either. The equipment, the manpower, the logistical requirements, all these add up, making these investigations a significant undertaking. The traditional method, while reliable, can be time and resource intensive, but what if there was a faster, more efficient way? Enter the world of artificial intelligence, a game changer in the realm of forensic engineering investigations. Imagine a system that can process and analyze mountains of data in the blink of an eye. That's what AI brings to the table, drastically reducing the time and resources needed for these complex investigations. Often, the devil is in the detail in forensic engineering. It's about finding that one anomaly, that one pattern that unlocks the mystery. Traditional approaches can overlook these subtle elements, but not AI. With its ability to sift through data quickly and efficiently, AI can detect these patterns and anomalies that could otherwise go unnoticed. This isn't just about speed and efficiency, it's about accuracy and precision. AI brings a new level of detail to these investigations, uncovering insights that can make all the difference. AI doesn't just save time and resources, it also brings a new level of accuracy and precision to forensic engineering investigations.